do this. See, what is told? What is the percentage value of 53 out of 81? Correct? But how do you calculate this? Simple, 53 divided by 81 into 100 percentage. But the reason you had so much delay was maybe calculating 53 out of 81. Correct? One way of doing this, if you had calculator, you can simply take calculator and you can solve this. You'll get the answer. But here, if you look at the question, you have options given, right? Why can't you make use of them? Why can't you make use of options? Now, what one thought, how your thought process has to work? 53 out of 81. Try to think, okay, where is it going to be? You don't have to come at the exact answer, accurate answer. Think about where is it going to be? Like, what is it going to be close to? 81 out of 81's half of 81 is 40.5. 40.5. That means 40.5 ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ 50% ആയ answer. But the value is above 40.5. So the answer is going to be above 50%. Clear? The moment you get to know that, can you eliminate option A and option B? Now you have two left. And there, if you look at them, they are quite far apart. There is like a difference of 20%, almost 20% in between. So you have to figure out, is it going to be close to 65 or is it going to be close to 84? And then you can directly mark the answer. Okay, you don't have to find the exact value. Make use of the options. So if you look at this, 53 40.5 and remove cheya. So I'll have another 12.5 left. Clear? So 50% I know is definitely there. In the mold, how much is there is what I have to find out. That is going to be 12.5 by 81. അല്ലേ? ഇതിന്റെ പെർസെന്റേജ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. 81ന്റെ 10% എത്രയായിരിക്കും? 81ന്റെ 10% 8.1 അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഈ 12.5 ഒരു 8.1 കൂടി ഇല്ലേ? Can you remove that 8.1 and write, okay, I know that 50 mold or 10% is also definitely there. Correct? So idle 8.1 remainder, you will get 4.4 left. Okay, clear? But now, by now, you know that your answer is definitely going to be above 60%. Clear? And plus 60% plus 4.4 by 81 into 100%. Again, if you see 4.4, again you know that 10% of 81 is 8.1. But do you have 8.1 in this? Do you have 8.1? Illalla, 4.4 alle ullo. That means your answer is going to be between 60% and 70%. Clear? Now do you have to find the exact value? You don't have to find the exact value. If you look at the options, you have only one option which is between 60% and 70%, and you can mark it. Clear? So in CAT, out of 22 questions, close to 17 to 18 questions, you will have options. Okay, so ingante oru question varumbo, anyway they're not going to ask you value of this one, but when you come at a place where you have to, the answer is percentage value of 53 by 81, rather than going and calculating and wasting time, in your mind you can see, okay, it is above 4, it's above 40.1. okay, that means the answer is going to be above 50%. Eliminate option A, option B. Now do I have another 8.1? Yes, there is 8.1 in it. Okay, the answer is going to be above 60%. Do I have one more 8.1? No, I do not have one more 8.1. That means the answer is going to be between 60 to 70%. The option that is there is option D, 65.45%. Is that clear? Now in option let's say your friend comes to you and tells you, you know what, there was a class test out of 81 mark, അതിൽ എനിക്ക് 53 മാർക്സ് കിട്ടി. എടാ ഒരു ഏകദേശം എത്ര പെർസെന്റേജ് ആണെന്ന് പറയുമെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ, and let's say you don't have calculator also with you. Let's say you don't even have calculator with you. Okay, you're going to approach the same way. You mentally, you don't have pen and paper, you don't have calculator. You have to tell him instantly you have to tell him approximate percentage of 53 out of 81. Again, what you do, out of 53, half of 81, 40.5 you will remove. You know that it is above 50%, and you know that the remaining you have 12.4. 12.4 you will remove another 8.1, so you know that it is above 60 percentage. Now you know 4.4 is there. 4.4 out of 81, you know there is if not 10, if not 8.1, there is 4.05 in it. 4.05 is half of 8.5, 8.1. That means half of 10%, that is 5% is also there. Correct? There is 5% also in it. So otherwise you will add and go, okay, 50% is there, then another 10% is there, then another 5% is there, then you will tell him, okay, it is around 65%. Is that clear? The more and more you think like this and develop that thinking for the next 8 months, you will be really good at quantitative aptitude. And if you develop the smartness to use options like this, and then instead of wasting time on calculating the exact value, if you develop that smartness to figure out the answer this way, you're almost looking at 85 to 90%, 90 percentile in cat. Okay, this is what you have to develop in the next 7 to 8 months. So anytime when you're simply sitting, when you're not doing anything, just keep thinking about numbers, keep thinking about random calculations and how we are going to do it mentally. Is that clear? Guys, is this clear? And was this approach much better than calculating 53 by 81? Like literally by doing 53 by 81?